Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1822 of What's You Up To Now, documenting the journey as I transitioned originally from the big brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And a little back and forth from the pandemic on, continuing to do both online and offline businesses because that's where my heart is. So today, for this year's annual challenge, the Get Your Goals annual challenge, we talked about the 10th framework for setting and achieving goals, called the Golden Circles. It's from Simon Sinek, and I've actually never used it before, but it incorporates a lot of other things that people do to set their goals and objectives. And he did it in a TED Talk called How Great Leaders Inspire Action. So it's basically taking a goal that you've set up for yourself or your organization and then asking 3 questions about it, starting in the middle and working your way out so that you know why you're doing it, how you're going to go about doing it, and what it is exactly that you're going to need to do in order to achieve the goal or objective you want. It's a great team leaders approach to setting goals, but just because we don't have a team doesn't mean we can't use this strategy and framework for ourselves. So we talked about that in today's Get Your Goals annual challenge. Day 19 already. Wow, it just flies by so fast. All of a sudden it's, the first month of the challenge, and then it's, day 356, and you're like, where did the year go? But that's the cool thing about annual challenges. You just do a little thing every day to move you toward the big thing that you want. And it's why I'm such a big believer and fan of annual challenges, because some days you won't do hardly anything. And instead of beating yourself up and then just giving up on your goal, like so many people do on New Year's resolutions, you just pick it up tomorrow, right? And you say, okay, I didn't do a great job on yesterday's action item, or maybe I forgot to do it. I can either do it today, or I can just move on to the next action for today. And I'm not going to miss so much that I don't get the results that I want by the end of the year. So that was our challenge for today. Our idiom to kind of coincide with that is put your heart into it. Put your heart into something. And I shared a bunch of tips on how you can put your heart into growing and building and supersizing your business. I take our idiom every day, or an idiom, and last year and this year I've been trying to hook it up with the annual challenge just to make it easier for me to pick an idiom. There's 20 million idioms in the English language, and so I wanted it to be a little simpler for me. So I try to pick one that kind of goes with the day's challenge. So with golden circles, and it's kind of the heart of the circle, the center of the circles, it starts with our why, of course, is put your heart into it. Now, I recorded this on YouTube using my Droid Cam app on my phone, and the results are horrible. Already, StreamYard doesn't allow me to download. Yesterday, I was able to download my audio file and my video file separately because they hadn't upgraded or updated my StreamYard account yet to take away that feature. We used to always have it when it was part of the beta, but then they started to take features away as they could charge for them, like most companies do. Frustrating, but that's what they do. As soon as they figure out a way to charge you for it, they charge you for it. Think of satellite companies, cell phone companies, utilities, right? They all, as soon as they can find a way to calculate and add it to your bill, they add it to your bill. And so I'm not sure that that's the solution for me. I can record to my YouTube channel and then pull the file from there and strip the audio out for my podcast, but I'm not sure that is the solution I want. It takes me longer to do right now. And yesterday I double recorded my Supersize Your Business content because I wanted to do it on Facebook still. I still want to show up on Facebook and have that content here as well as on YouTube and on my podcast. So how do I go about doing that? Well, yesterday I double recorded, and I'm on the teetering edge of whether I'm going to do that again today or not. I probably am, because I want the content in my Supersize Your Business group on Facebook as well. I'm just frustrated that I can't share it from Facebook in a way that used to be the way I did it. That was probably a kind of sneaky back door way of doing things anyway. So it's probably better that I figure out how do I do it now. But the fact that everything gets charged for, it still irritates me, right? Just because I'm human. So I will answer or help you with anything that you need. Just give me a call and ask. Know that I am always trying to figure things out just like you are. All right. Have a great day, and I'll of course do it tomorrow.